Let us discuss another important organelle in a cell, that is mitochondria. Okay, this is mitochondria. Observe here, a cell. Okay, yeah, we are observing here oval or cylindrical grains scattered in the cytoplasm. Okay, this is oval shape or cylindrical shape. These are scattered in cytoplasm. This is nothing but mitochondria. Okay, observe here. This is the mitochondria. What is this? Mitochondria. So these are small spherical or cylindrical organelles. Spherical shape or cylindrical organelles. So the length of mitochondria is 2 to 8 microns. The length of mitochondria is 2 to 8 microns. If we want to observe the width of mitochondria, what is the width of mitochondria? 0.5 microns. 0.5 microns. This mitochondria is 150 times smaller than the nucleus. We observed nucleus, no? So, if we compare this nucleus and mitochondria, this mitochondria is 150 times smaller than the nucleus. 150 times smaller than the nucleus. These mitochondria we can observe only under an electron microscope. If we want to observe deep structure or clear structure under the microscope, we have to use only electron microscope. Okay, and there are 100 to 150 mitochondria in each cell. How many mitochondria? 100 to 150 mitochondria in each cell. 100 to 150 mitochondria. Okay, if we observe this structure, we are observing two membranes. One is outer membrane and another one is the inner membrane. Outer membrane and inner membrane. And the inner membrane is thrown into several folds. Okay, this is inner membrane. This inner membrane thrown into several folds. This is called, what is this? Cristae. What is this? Cristae. The substance or the material whichever found in this inner membrane. The substance or the space which is found in this inner membrane, that is called matrix. What is that? Matrix. Outer membrane, inner membrane, cristae and matrix. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Function of mitochondria. What is the function of mitochondria? What is the use of this mitochondria in a cell? What is the use of this mitochondria in a cell? These mitochondria are responsible for cellular respiration. What is cellular respiration? These are responsible for cellular respiration. What is cellular respiration? What is cellular respiration? This is a process through which cells convert sugars into energy. Okay? Sugars into energy. This is one process. This converts sugar into energy. So, energy is required to do work. Yes, children? So, energy is required to do work. So, this is mitochondria is responsible for energy. So, that's why mitochondria are called as powerhouses of the cell. Powerhouses of the cell. This is about mitochondria. Let us discuss about ribosomes in a cell. Okay, let's observe here. These are ribosomes. Here we are observing 3 ribosomes in a cell. And here we are observing attached ribosomes to endoplasmic reticulum. Attached ribosomes and free ribosomes. Okay, so these are small granule-like structures. What is the structure of ribosomes? Small granule-like structure. Small granule-like structures. So, we are observing small granule-like structures in the cytoplasm. These are ribosomes. Okay, what are these? Ribosomes. So, they may be free in cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. They may be free in cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic endoplasmic reticulum, which already we discussed, endoplasmic reticulum. If ribosomes attach to endoplasmic reticulum, that is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Already we discussed rough endoplasmic reticulum. Oh, the ribosomes which are groups. So we can find out ribosomes, single ribosomes or in groups. If we observe the ribosomes in groups, the groups of ribosomes are called as polysomes. Groups of ribosomes are called as polysomes. The function of ribosomes is photosynthesis. Function of ribosomes, protein synthesis. Protein synthesis. Yeah, let us discuss about lysosomes. Lysosomes. See here, we are observing here. These are lysosomes. What are these? Lysosomes. So we are observing tiny particles in cytoplasm, and these lysosomes contain destructive enzymes. These lysosomes contain destructive enzymes. Lysosomes contain destructive enzymes. These enzymes normally do not come in contact with the rest of the cell. The enzymes which are present in lysosomes, that are destructive enzymes, no? So that's why the destructive enzymes do not come in contact with the rest of the cell. The materials which are need to be destroyed, that all are transported to these lysosomes. The materials which are need to be destroyed, that all are transported to these lysosomes. After that, the lysosomes get them digested at times. The lysosomes burst and the enzymes are released to digest the cell. After reaching the materials which are need to be digested, that materials are transported to these lysosomes. No? So these lysosomes digest the material. That's why the lysosomes are called as suicidal bags of the cell. Suicidal bags of the cell. This is about lysosomes.